Hello everyone, welcome to Kalki Krishna Diary. If you are new here, then I am Kalki. I do movie reviews, movie recommendations and movie analysis. प्रथमे तो मोर समस्त ओडिया भाई भौणी मानंकु रथयात्रार हार्दिक अभिनंदन. Well guys, I need a suggestion of yours. Please tell me in which language I should do these reviews. Some people they're suggesting me you should do in English, some are suggesting me Hindi, and some are suggesting me in Odia. If it is an Odia content, I'll definitely do in Odia. But if it is English or Hindi content, which language you want to, please let me know. I'll prefer that language only. Well, one thing I need to add, if you are thinking that why I'm coming with this review of the series so late, the reason is my video got deleted. Yes, I spent some 6 hours to make that video, and when I was uploading it in YouTube, I don't know what happened, it got deleted. So it is such a painful situation when I have to shoot it all over again and do all the procedure. So yeah, that is the reason I'm little bit late for this review. The review I'm going to do is Arya, which is streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar VIP. In the lead, we'll see Susmita Sen after 10 long years in the character of Arya and unisex name. Then Chandrachur as Tej Sareen, the husband of Arya. Maya Sarao as Maya, the friend of Arya. You must have knowing her for the role in Thappad. Sikandar Khez as Daulat, the most trusted person of Arya's father. Manish Chaudhary as Shekhawat, the mafia. Bikash Kumar as SCP Khan, the investigating officer. Namit Das as Jawahar, the business partner of Tej Sareen. Akur Bhatia as Sangram, the Arya's younger brother. Vishwajit Pradhan as Sampad, the right hand of Shekhawat. Jen Tripalani as Zarwar, the father of Arya and the head of the family. Flora Saini as Radhika, the second wife of Zorawar. Arya is the official remake of the Dutch web series called Penosa. The series focuses on a wife that his husband is working in his father's business where there are a lot of risks. So she wants to move to another place for the safety of her family. But when her husband gets killed, her family breaks into pieces. The real struggle starts here, as her husband was involved in illegal things, some knowingly and some unknowingly. The police, the local mafia and the Russians all are after Arya. So now Arya has no choice but taking over the business of her husband, which she was always against of. The struggle of Arya as a mother, as a daughter, and a suspicious mind of a wife to know the killer of her husband. This series has a touch of every corner of the characters. The character building is excellent. A self-centered father and brother, a greedy friend, two teenaged children and a small boy, a caring friend. This series has focused all of them. So many kinds of relationships including homosexuality, the exploratory nature of teenager living life in a certain concept, and the hypocritical society who underestimates the capability of women. Let's talk about the performances now. This is the perfect comeback of Susmita Sen. Hands down queen. This is the best performance of Susmita Sen's entire career. He is convincing enough to empathize you on her character. My god, she looks extremely comfortable in front of camera after so many years of her comeback. To be very honest, I never had thought that I will see Chandrachur Singh after so many years in screen. He is excellent. I mean, after so many years of comeback, he is looking so comfortable, and the duo of Susmita and Chandrachur is looking absolutely perfect and flawless. Jawahar, who is suffering an inferiority complex and who is addicted to cocaine, he has proved his work brilliantly. You must have remembered him as the best friend of Sid in the film Wake Up Sid. Ankur Bhatia as Sangram, who is a greedy and corrupt member of the family. Jayant Tripathi, the head of the family, creates a mystery around his intention. Do you remember that person, the interviewer who was doing interview of Raju in 3 Idiots, who said, salary discuss kar le? Watching actors like Manish Chaudhary, Biswajit Pradhan and Bikash Kumar is a phenomenal experience in itself. Vikash Kumar, you remember him from CID? We have been watching him since 2010. These actors were new face all over again. It's really sad to say that we really pay attention to such artists. Where were they? I'll tell you where. They were stuck with some mediocre scripts and heartless audience. Sikandar Khez as Daulat has done a brilliant job. He has one of the most important part of the series. I'm thankful to the creators who has taken the risk of casting this powerhouse of acting. Ram Madhwani, who is only 2 feature films old, has done a brilliant job in storytelling, bringing the Indian culture, using the concept of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, casting the brilliant actors, using the retro songs like Bade Achhe Lagte Hain and Akele Akele Kahan Ja Rahe Ho. My god, this series will leave at least 3 days of hangover in you. But there are few things that created questions in my mind. For example, if there are so many bad situations, then why the security of the house is not good enough? Second, the youngest child of Arya, who is the eyewitness of the murder of his father, why he was not in the investigations? Third, there are so many unnecessary hugs are going, which is I found is not necessary enough. This series has 9 episodes and each episode has 15 minutes. You must watch this series and trust me, you will not regret it. I'll give this series 8.5 out of 10. Yeah, that's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. It takes a lot to make a video, trust me. I never thought that I'll put so much effort into this channel. So please do subscribe. That gives me a boost to my mind that I'll do more videos. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and take care, and let me know what you think about this series. Bye.